Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ilea Jones, and in today's video I will be doing an unboxing review of this hair that I got from Vshow. It is a 613 13x4 frontal, and it is 30 inches 200 density. And yes, I did pay with this with my money, my hard work and earned money. So no, this is not sponsored, but I have the package right here. It probably delivered about 2 hours ago. I ordered it on the 20th, April 20th. Today is May 2nd. So it took about a week and some time to get here. So let's see what we have. And I plan on installing this for my birthday. It's coming up on the 13th of this month. So I'll show you guys how it looks then too. But this is straight out of the package. I got it wrapped in the bubble wrapping. Let's see. So when you take it out, looks like this. Not bad, it's cute. It's all pink, it's cute. This says Vshow Human Hair Collections. This is my first time ordering from them. Someone told me about them. So that's where they got a wig from. They're 613 blonde. So let's see. And it says, don't forget you are the queen. Because yes, I am the motherfucking queen. So open it. It looks like this. And we have Brazilian hair, 200 density, 30 inches, body wave. I didn't mention that. Yes, it is body wave. 30 inches blonde. Okay. And inside the box, it comes with, it came with a little chain that said mom. No, Mother's Day is coming up. That is cute. I'm not a mother, but that is cute. That's really cute. And then it comes with a pack of wig caps. And then their card. And I do plan to tone this hair. To use what I'm going to use to tone it, I'm going to end up using my purple shampoo, Shimmer Light purple shampoo. Okay, so I'm looking at it. Let's take this out. This is how it's looking. Nice and soft. It is really nice and soft. Oh my gosh. No hair came out yet. But you know, all hair sheds. Nope. Let's look at the lace. This is how it's looking. This is it on me. It's nice though. It looks a little pre-plucked. It's a little pre-plucked. I'm liking this. It doesn't really have a bad smell, but it has a little smell, but it isn't bad, it isn't terrible. When I wash and everything, it should come out and be fine. Yes. 30 inches, 200 density. I'll put it to me. Oh my god. I'm getting nervous. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be my first time with blonde, and yes. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so nervous. Let's see. Ilea with blonde hair. What? 30 inches. Come up to, this is just here right now, but we'll see later on. Okay, so the inside of the wig, it comes with 4 combs, one on each side, one in the front, then one in the back. And then as you see, we have this band here, and then we also have this lace in the back here, and it is pretty thick. Oops. The hair, 200 density. I can say I do think it is 200 density. There's a little black streak of hair right here. Can you see that? But so far, no hair has come out inside of my hands. Let's see. It came out. I spoke too soon. And when it comes to the thickness, let's see. The hair is pretty thick, I would say. And 30 inches. Oh my God. I'm scared when I put it up to me and I pull it, it comes to here. So imagine I live with blonde hair. If I'm doing that right. I don't know. The hair comes about there on me when I pull it. It is body wave though. Yes, it is body wave. And pricing, I paid, I think $3.69 for it. That was with one of the codes. They had like a mom code, since it is Mother's Day coming up. But without the code, it was about $4.07. You know, got a couple dollars off. I was complaining about that. But yes, I am excited, very excited to put this wig on, even though I am very nervous because I've never had blonde before. I've only went with red, and then I had blue roots at one point in time. So we're gonna see. I'll show you guys the finished touch after it is all installed, styled, everything put on me. I'll show you guys then. So thank you for watching. If you all could like, comment, subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And follow me on Instagram. My name is It's Ilea.